प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे मित्रों, आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज हम महात्मा गांधी जयंती मना रहे हैं, जो राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी के जन्म दिवस पर एक शुभ अवसर है। महात्मा गांधी जी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति थे जिन्होंने हमारे देश को आजादी दिलाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई थी। उन्होंने हमें सत्य के माध्यम से लड़ाई लड़ने का रास्ता दिखाया था। आज भी उनके विचारों से हम बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, जैसे सत्य और अहिंसा का पालन करें, शिक्षा और ज्ञान को महत्व दें, राष्ट्र की सेवा करें, देश की सेवा करें और एकता को बढ़ावा दें। आज के दिन महात्मा गांधी जी के विचारों को अपनाने और संकल्प लेना चाहिए। हमें उनके विचारों और उनके को जीवन के अंदर अपनाना चाहिए और हमें उनकी जो बातें थी कि सत्य 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 की राह पर हमें चलना चाहिए। आज मैं संस्कार इंटरनेशनल एकेडमी के सभी छात्रों, शिक्षकों और कर्मचारियों की ओर से महात्मा गांधी जी को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ हो।
Teachers and all my dear friends, I'm Mohit from class 19. Today I'm here to speak a short speech and honor one of the most respected leaders, Lal Bahadur Shastri, whose life and legacy continue to inspire us. Born on 2nd October 1964 in Mughalsarai, Uttar Pradesh, Shastri emerged as a beacon to integrity and dedication during a pivotal time in our nation's history. Shastri played a significant role in India's freedom struggle. He was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's principles of non-violence and self-reliance. During the struggle, he was imprisoned for his beliefs, showcasing his commitment to the cause of freedom. But his contributions did not stop there. After India gained independence in 1947, he held various important positions in the government, including the Minister of Foreign Affairs. With that, I end my speech. Thank you and have a good day.
सभी गणमान्य को मेरा सुप्रभात और गांधी जयंती की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरा नाम दिव्या है और मैं कक्षा 10वीं अ की छात्रा हूँ। इस शुभ अवसर के उपलक्ष्य में मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी। यह कविता गांधी जी की महानता और अहिंसक धर्म का बखान करती है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। भारत माता अंधियारे की काली चादर में लिपटी थी परमहीनता की बेड़ी उनके पैरों से चिपटी थी। था हृदय धधक धू धू करके उसमें ज्वालाएं उठती थी। भारत माँ के पवित्र तन पर गौरव की फौजें पलती थी। गुजरात राज्य का एक शहर है जिसका नाम पोरबंदर। उस घर में उनका जन्म हुआ था, चमन हमारा धन्य हुआ। दुबला पतला छोटा मोहन पढ़ लिख कर वीर जवान बना था। सत्य अहिंसा देश प्रेम उसकी रग रग में भिदा सना। उसके एक आवाहन पर 100 जन दौड़े आते थे। सत्य अहिंसा दो शब्दों के अद्भुत अस्त्र उठाते थे। गौरव की काली कर टूटे जलियांवाले बागों का गम। रह लिए गुलाम बहुत दिन तक, अब नहीं गुलाम रहेंगे हम। जूल्हे निल्हे खेतीहर तक गांधी के पीछे आए थे। दांडी समुद्र तट पर आकर सब अपना नमक बनाए थे। भारत छोड़ो हर और यही स्वर उठता था। भारत के कोने कोने से गांधी का नाम उछलता था। वह मौन सत्य का आग्रह था जिसमें हिंसा और रक्त नहीं, मानवता के अधिकारों की थी बात शांति से कही गई। गोलों तोपों बंदूकों को चुप सीने पर सहते जाना, अपने सशस्त्र दुश्मन पर भी बढ़कर आघात नहीं करना। सच की ताकत के आगे थी तोपों की हिम्मत हार गई। सच की ताकत के आगे थी गौरव की सत्ता कांप रही। हट गया ब्रिटिश ध्वज, अब फिर से आजाद तिरंगा लहराया। अत्याचारों का अंत हुआ, गांधी का भारत हर्षाया। धन्यवाद।
An eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Poetry can capture the essence of Gandhi's ideals. So to recite the poem, here comes Divya. Thank you, Kushi, for a wonderful speech. Now here comes Divyanshi of class 10th to motivate us with her speech.
I am student of class 10th standing in front of you to deliver a speech. As you know, today is October 2nd and we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. He is popularly known as the father of the nation and was born in Porbandar, Gujarat in 1869. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated every year on October 2nd. Marks the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the man who led Indians' non-violent fight for independence. Gandhi, a world-known name and inspiring leader. This is the 150th birthday anniversary of Gandhi. People should see him as a role model and follow the path of non-violence. His famous movement was Salt March and Quit India movement. Gandhiji life teaches us that any problem can be solved by following path of trust and non-violence. 2 October is important not only because of Gandhi Jayanti but also because of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, second Prime Minister of India, was born on 2nd October 1964 in Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh. He was prominent political leader and freedom fighter who gave slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. It is a great coincidence that Lal Bahadur Shastri got immense inspiration from Mahatma Gandhi, whose birth anniversary also celebrated on 2nd October. Thank you.
Peaceful morning to one and all present here. This is Khushi Kaushik from class 9. We are standing here to deliver some few words on Gandhiji's Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was a great thinker, a socialist leader and a freedom fighter of our country. He led many movements such as the Quit India movement, the Dandi March, the non-cooperation movement. Due to his efforts, India finally got freedom in 1947 from British rule. We all honor him by calling him Mahatma and the father of our nation. At last, I want to say that Mahatma Gandhi still lives in the hearts of millions of Indians. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Sia. That was soulful and a great way to start the day. So now, hear one more thought by Amandeep.
Morning to all. My name is Amandeep from class 9B. Today I am here to tell you one Hindi thought. So my Hindi thought is, कहाँ गई तेरी अहिंसा, कहाँ गया तेरा प्यार, गांधी तेरे देश में ये कैसा अत्याचार. धन्यवाद.
Inspiring quote. Now I would like to call Riya to ask some questions related to Mahatma Gandhi's life.
Good morning to one all present here. Myself Riya Sani from class 9th. Today I am here to ask you some GK questions. So my first question is, when was Mahatma Gandhi born and where? When he born? Yes, the correct answer is 2 October 1869 in Porbandar. My next question is, what is the name of Gandhi's mother? I repeat my question, what is the name of Gandhi's mother? The correct answer is Putli Bai Gandhi. So my next question is, when did Mahatma Gandhi return to India from South Africa? I repeat my question, when did Mahatma Gandhi return from India to South Africa? The correct answer is 1915. So my next and last question is, which party was Lal Bahadur Shastri was an active member? I repeat my question, which party was Lal Bahadur Shastri was an active member? The correct answer is Indian National Congress. Thanks, have a nice day.
Present here, my name is Tanisha and I am from class 9B standard, standing in front of you to conduct on today's special occasion, which is Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Today, we are all gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, also known as father of our nation. His strong beliefs, principles and values continue to inspire the generations. His messages of non-violence, truth and peace are as relevant in today's world as they were during the Indian freedom struggle. In 2024, India will be celebrating the 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. Now, without delaying, let's start our various activities to inspire us with thought. Here comes Sia.
Good morning, people, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Kia from class 9K. Today I am standing here to speak and discuss. My thought is, leave you and if you want to die tomorrow, learn as if you want to live forever. Thanks and wonderful day.